Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my little kitchen. Today I am going to be making a little Valentine treat or just any day kind of treat. But it's some strawberry cookies. My little sugar babies is coming and I thought I'd make them a little treat and I thought I'd take y'all along with me. So this little cookie recipe is just going to start with a box cake mix. You can't get any easier than this, I'm telling you. So box cake, I just have Duncan Hines. I've always liked Duncan Hines, but you do you, honey. You can get a off-brand. You can do whatever. And we're going to use 2 eggs, a half a cup of oil. Now, I'm going to add some little white chips to these. You don't have to do that. And I'm also, y'all know I always add a little vanilla into my stuff. So, let's get this put together.
Yeah.
I've got my oven set at 350 degrees.
Y'all, I ain't had no treats in a minute.
He has not.
Yeah, it's the end of January, and the last kind of treats I had was Christmas.
Yep.
So it's been a month. I've been a good boy
Yes, he
for an
has.
entire month, y'all. So it's about time for a little treat.
Yeah, and let me tell y'all remember the last treat I made? And he's talking about, oh, I got to get this out the house. Well, guess what? You got nothing to complain about.
That's right. She's been doing good, y'all. She's been, listen.
You haven't had a thing.
Yeah. She's been a tightwad on me all of January. She's been a tightwad. Tightwad this and tightwad that. Yeah.
Anyway, so apparently he complains if I do or not. That's what we're going
that's
with.
my husbandly duty.
That's where we're going with that. All right, 2 eggs.
Well, I'm excited. So
yeah, he's gonna have a cookie.
Absence gives you a little bit of excitement, y'all.
Yeah.
So there you go.
He's been doing his little yogurt and his little granola. That's fixed.
Hey, my granola is bomb, y'all. Y'all should try that granola. It's good.
That's
it's good.
The extent of his little sweetness. All right, a half a cup of vegetable oil. Now you can also use butter in any of these. You can also use butter. So whichever one you got more of on hand. Butter, I think, does give it a little more buttery taste. But oil, I believe, still makes it a little moister. But we are just going to use the oil. I'm going to save my butter for something else. I'm going to go ahead and get my little vanilla in here. And I didn't get a spoon, so we're just going to use the lid. It's all right. I've got my little mixer here, but I was just mixing with this. I might can just get away with this. We'll see. So we're just going to mix this up, and after all this is mixed up, then we'll just fold in those little chips. Now, it's not going to make a huge amount. It's going to be a perfect amount.
For them little sugar babies.
For them little sugar babies. And for your little Valentine.
Yeah.
So,
little treat.
Little treat. I thought I'd just show y'all a little something that's quick and easy and not a lot of ingredients. I'm still stuffy, y'all. All right. We got that mixed up. Looks like so. I'm going to add about a cup of these chips, and I didn't get my little. Just going to eyeball it. That's how we going to do it.
Measure with your heart.
Measure with your heart, baby. That's exactly right. Now, get this out of here because I was doing, wasn't I?
You was doing and doing.
Uh-huh. We're going to sling it everywhere. Lordy do. I'm just going to set it right there. Like so. All right, we're going to mix these chips. Just going to fold them in. So even if you do the mixer, just fold your chips in. Look there, I didn't even have to mess up the mixer.
No. You did good.
I did. Now you can let this get cold if you want to, or you can make your little cookies on there and then let it get cold. However you want to do it. Now we're not going to cook these cookies very long. About 8-9 minutes. Because that's where people mess up when they make cookies. You cook them clean to death, honey. They are like a little weapons, like little hockey pucks.
No, we ain't trying to knock nobody out with no
Don't
cookie.
be wasting ingredients.
Yeah.
That hurts my heart. But
We like a little tender,
yeah, a little
soft.
I like mine, especially my chocolate chip cookies, and my little kiddos
Oh,
love.
they love them. Every time they come, they looking for some cookies.
Yes, but I let them. I mean, they almost look raw when you bring them out, and that's how I like them.
But as they sit,
yes,
they start to harden, and they
they're
get
real
perfect.
soft.
Yeah,
in the
they get
middle.
perfect.
Now, do I want to make big ones or little ones?
Let's do little ones.
You want the little ones?
Yeah, let's do
get
little
more.
ones. Yeah, it makes it look like it goes further.
All right, it's still going to be nice size ones.
Yeah.
We're going to just plop them on there. Now, if you don't have, this is a really good pan that don't stick. Watch them stick like the Dickens.
Famous last words.
Yes, but they normally don't stick. And but if you've got one that does stick, put some parchment paper on it.
Man, that looks like it's gonna be good.
I think I'm gonna go like this. I might go scooting that over just a little minute, just a little bit.
Making a room.
Yeah, because these are still big, aren't they?
They are big, yeah. I
Pretty
think they're gonna be some pretty good size ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love strawberry. Anything.
Me too. And white chocolate chip.
It.
What?
Uh-huh.
Man.
Yes, indeed.
You got my attention.
Well, good.
Yeah.
How about that? And we took some cookies, some little cookie dough.
Yeah.
I'm just doing it all over because I'm trying to see here. Let's do like this. These are going to be good size cookies.
Yes, they are.
What should I have done? Thinking in my head. Actually, I was thinking out loud, wasn't
You were.
I? Slipped
Well,
out.
you were thinking
Whoops.
in your head and out loud.
Whoops. All right. We're just going to put one over there and hope
For the best.
it don't get too cozy. Yeah. All right, I got a little bit left here. Now you can do these cookies any kind of way, honey. You can do chocolate and just any kind of cake mix makes good cookies. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just scoot one over.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Move that and over, and then that'll go right
I'm gonna do that right there.
there.
Yes, indeed.
You got it.
I got it. I was doing it all wonky, cause ooh.
Looking good to me.
Yes. Now,
Ooh.
I'm going to mash these down.
Man.
I'm just going to kind of pat them with my hand like this. Just like so.
Oh, man.
Get them like that. That's the big one right there. I just took the rest of them. Now, what you can also do is throw a few chips on top.
Next level.
You know, I like to be next level.
Yeah. Why be ordinary
I
when
like
you
to
can?
be
Why be
extra,
ordinary when
honey.
you can be next level?
Be extra.
Yeah.
Oh, extra.
Well, ain't no sense in being ordinary when you can be
that's
next level.
no fun in that, is it?
No fun.
All right, let's
whatsoever.
do this. Let's just press a little more. Do this so we're not spilling the whole bag. Just put a few on top. However so you like.
It just says Valentine's.
It does, don't it?
Yeah.
I could eat, and I'm gonna see how it's gonna go. But I also can whip up a little strawberry icing too.
Oh.
But
I
we'll
don't know that you're gonna
I
need
don't
all
know
that.
that
I
we'll
think
need
this is
it.
the easy peasy
Yep.
Valentine's Day surprise.
Yeah, I tell you what would be good though: a yellow cake or a white cake, and then that strawberry icing.
Yeah, on top. Yeah.
Would be what's up. All right, we're just gonna finish these. I won't make y'all watch all this. I'll finish these real quick, and then we're gonna put them in the oven, 350 degrees for about 8 minutes. We'll see what we got. Here they are, y'all. 8 minutes. A little 8 minutes. And this is exactly how I want them to look.
Ooh, man. Y'all, that just got my mouth watering.
Well, good. I'm going to let them sit on here maybe just a few minutes, and then I'm going to take them off, put them on this little rack, And then we gonna give him a little taste.
We're gonna do more than a little taste. We're gonna do a big.
gets
Look at that big old.
He gets one.
Look at
They
that
are
big old
big.
cookies.
Yes.
Woo!
One'll do you.
Yep, I'm gonna eat one.
Yes, one'll do.
All right.
All right. All right, y'all. They are ready.
Yeah.
Took us a total of about 10, 15 minutes if you count them cooling.
Yeah.
Ready for him to try.
Let's look at here, y'all. Let's
Look
do a
at that
little.
big old
Let's do a little.
cookie.
Let's do a little test. Let's do a little pull apart. Look at that. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at
You
that.
can't
Look.
see it right there. You had to show me that close.
I'm coming around, y'all.
Coming around. Here it comes.
Look. I'm dropping it. It's falling apart. Look. There's a little break apart test, y'all.
There you go.
God, look at the inside.
Nice and moist.
Look at the inside of that.
That's how I like my cookies.
That
Just like that.
is fall apart perfect.
It's still warm too, y'all. Still warm.
I make you weak in the knees.
He's done made him some coffee and everything, honey. He's ready.
I ain't even gonna look. I'm not eating any more of that. That's it. I tasted. It's fantastic. Wrap it up.
He's lying.
Peace. That's it.
He's lying.
See y'all tomorrow.
He's lying. He's telling biggin.
No, I'm ready to get off the air because I got coffee in there.
Oh yeah, he's ready.
And I'm gonna enjoy every crumb. I even hate that I dropped that little bit of crumb over there.
Oh, you better get that.
I bet the dog will be over here in a second.
She's
It's
pretty
delicious.
good. She don't
I have not had anything, really, I have not had anything like sweet. It's
No.
very good.
Well, good. I'm glad you approved.
Yeah.
Simple.
Better hide them.
Simple,
Them kids.
simple. Y'all, you can't get no easier than that. You really can't. Throw it together and go. And like I said, you can do any kind of cake mix, any kind of toppings, any kind of add-ons, and you got yourself a quick, delicious cookie.
Man,
Good
who would have thought
stuff.
cake mix would make that good a cookie?
Oh yeah, you can do all kinds of cake
Man,
mix.
I'm
but
telling you, that's fantastic.
it is, ain't it? All right.
It may even be better than a cake.
How
I'm
about
telling
that?
you, it's moist, it's tender.
How about that?
It's just fall apart, y'all. Fantastic.
Yep.
I'm just having one. That's
8
it.
minutes, y'all. Don't cook your cookies to death, honey. Don't. They this is all they need. All they need, and they finished cooking kind of on that pan a little bit too. So don't cook them clean to death.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's like, oh, I got a. What'd you say? I go, oh, I got a butter cake in here too. I'm like, no,
I did.
no.
Oh, I got a butter cake in the pantry. I can put some strawberry icing on it. He's not no. So he's gonna get his one. We can put some back for the babies.
Yep.
And
My buddy Andrew, I text him. I said, nope, not enough for you, buddy.
No.
I tempted him. I said, bro, I'm bringing it to you. I can't eat all of it. I'm gonna bring you
he's
some.
bad.
Yeah, I
He's
am.
terrible.
Yeah.
Anyway, y'all, check it out. This is a perfect. Hey, listen, even y'all that you can't cook real good, or if you want to surprise your little Valentine, honey, pull this out. They will not know. They'll think it went to crumble or something.
Yeah. That's a trick there, man, for real. That's
Yeah.
fantastic cookie. That is a great cookie, for real.
I have not tasted it, but I'm sure it is good.
It is good.
All right. Well, you heard it from him.
I'm a professional.
He's a professional.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for coming along with us, putting up with our shenanigans.
Thank y'all for all that y'all do for us. We appreciate
Yes, we do.
every one of y'all that support us and spend time with us and comment and
Yes.
everything. We appreciate every one of y'all.
We
for
really
real.
do.
Every single one of you.
So grateful.
Yep.
Till next time.